At the supermarket. Hey Julia, look at those desserts. How about baking some cookies today? Yeah, that's a great idea. While we're here, let's pick up the ingredients. Okay, what do we need? The recipe calls for flour, sugar, and butter. Oh, and we also need eggs and chocolate chips. Why don't you get the dairy ingredients? You'll find those in the refrigerated section in the back of the store. I'll get the dry ingredients. They are in aisle 10. Great. Let's meet at the checkout. Okay, see you there. The recipe calls for is a way of saying the recipe says we need. The phrase call for can also be used to talk about the weather forecast. They're calling for rain. At the post office. What can I do for you? I need to mail this package to New York, please. Okay, let's see how much it weighs. It's about 5 pounds. If you send it express, it will get there tomorrow. Or you can send it priority, and it will get there by Saturday. Saturday is fine. How much will that be? 11:35. Do you need anything else? Oh yeah, I almost forgot. I need a book of stamps too. Okay, your total comes to $20.35. Your total comes to is a way of saying the cost is